So it's the 14th of September. It's Adrian speaking from Trendsignal. I'm just going to do a quick recap of the most recent trades on the daily chart for the British pound there. So we're starting off with pound against the US dollar. Straight out of the gate, 27th of August there, a buy sniper against the longer term trend. Now, how do we know it's against that longer term trend, and what does that mean to us? Well, let's look at the monthly bit here. See the red arrow pointing down. This is a buy against that direction. So what we're expecting here is a brief move higher. So we're only looking to take and capture a small profit on this one. And it tends to be, this is what we recommend for slightly more experienced traders. Once they've got a couple of months of being a Trendsignal member under their belt, they can start to look at these trades against the trends there and pick up those profits as well. So really nice move there before the market started to chop around a little bit, moving about 130 points in about a week of trading there. Let's have a look at some of these other sterling pairs. Euro against the pound. A couple of nice trades there. Going back to 13th of August here. Really nice move. Again, against the longer term trend, against that monthly. So wherever I put my cursor, it's going to tell me the trends of the market, whether it's the weekly, the monthly, and then here back in line with that monthly trend on the short trade there. So there's a buy, 13th of August, and then there's a short trade there from the 9th of September. We're about 25 points up on it at the moment. And again, really nice trading opportunity at this stage. So just focusing on the sniper trades for now. This one here moving up about 130 points or so from the original buy, about 110, and nicely on profit from euro sterling. Let's go back through some more. Pound against the Australian dollar. We had a sell trade against the trend, 25th of August. Really nice profitable opportunity, moving the best part of 300 points or so. 350 points, but it's the buy I want to focus back on here, because from the 9th of September, there's our buy. So our new members getting straight into these trades with the trend. Why? Because they're the safer trades. They're more reliable historically, and we can see here the arrow pointing up. So it's a buy. See the green indicators there, the sniper disc, etc. And it's a movement up in line with that monthly direction. And here we are already up about 120, 130 points from the entry. Really nice trade so far on the pound against the Australian dollar. Pound Swiss. Lovely as well. Another buy sniper with the trend, 26th of August. And here we are from the original buy. Now the market has moved over 200 points in our favor. So I know a lot of our members will already be out of this trade, and that's absolutely fine. But the trade moving on really nicely. And I know some of our members will absolutely still be in this, riding out that trend there. So a fantastic move. Pound against the yen. A couple of opportunities here. Now, there's the buy, original buy, 25th of August. We're still in this one. We haven't been chopped out of it yet, but we had another crack at it here on the 10th of September. So here, currently, from this buy, up about 70 pips, and, up about, 130 pips or so from that buy back from the 25th of August. So, again, a couple of really nice trades, both of these in line with the dominant trend of the market, the uptrend, safer trades in that regard. So a good 200 pips worth of value out of those two opportunities. And finally, looking at the pound against the New Zealand. It's not had a massive start so far. So we called and we looked at in our most recent webinar on Monday. We called this as a trade from Friday's close. Really nice opportunity. It's moving up about 50 pips so far, which is great. It's fine. It's a good start. Lovely but sell sniper against the trend there as well from a couple of weeks prior. So overall, there is multiple hundreds of pips there available to Trendsignal members looking at those sterling pairs, whether it's with the trend or against the trend. We teach our members how to do those all within our coaching workshops with these indicators all loaded up on your device at home. And perhaps that's something you'd be interested in. And if you would, have a look somewhere on this page, and I'm sure you'll be able to book in for our next online webinar. We can find out a lot more about it and a lot more about the strategies that we teach our members as well. All the best and happy trading.
If you would like more information about trading the right way, Trendsignal is giving you the opportunity to see and hear about its services live at a free online seminar. Take a look at the Trendsignal website for the latest events and to book your free place.